Yes. Oh baby! Look at that, man! What's crack-a-lacking, everybody? Welcome to another episode. I am with my buddy Zaid once again. We are at Witbank Dam. We are actually doing a 2-day fishing trip here at Witbank. Staying at Steve's place. Check it out, very nice. Yeah, it's a Sunday morning. We're gonna fish Sunday, Monday. Depending how it goes, we might make this a 2-part video, but yeah, let's see how it goes. We're hoping for some good fishing, so yeah, keep watching and hopefully we can catch some good fish and enjoy the rest of the video. Zaid on a fish. First fish, well, second fish. I caught one, but I didn't boat it. He's boated it, so it's official first fish. Nice, bro. Okay, at least no skunk. There we go, boy. No, but good fighter. Oh, he spat the worm. You see, that's the only problem with whack here. Spat the worm, you little shit. Oh no, deep. I just needed that weight as well, eh? To go down faster. There we go.
There we go. Oh, that's a big one. That's a log you've got with you.
Oh, it's not, it's a lizard. It's a fucking lizard. Eat my frog, and I can't lose this frog.
No, but you can't bring that lizard in.
I can.
No,
there we go. Come on. Yes, I thought it was a big fish, bro.
yeah.
And it looked huge. Oh. Second time I've caught a lizard. I won it at Vista Winter.
You get it on camera.
Yeah. Oh my word, that was crazy. I thought I was on like a 3 kilos there, bro. The way it pulled me, and then I just saw the body go under the water, and you know, it looked fat. It really is weird that we're not catching on frog here, bro. Really, yeah. With a 1-leg frog. Small one. Yeah guys, all showered up on day one. Fishing didn't go to plan. Only caught a few fish in the morning and then a few late afternoon. We thought that the evening bite would be better in top water, and we had a few takes but nothing to write home about. We got off the water at, it was about 5:30, 5:45, and we struggled, so not a very good first day. So let's see tomorrow morning and how the second day goes, and maybe we'll get better fish. Let's see. Good luck, cheers, and keep watching. Struggling freaking, and then this one nice fish comes along. Oh, right in the shallows, dude, behind that rock. How's it, what I don't know, just big wake. Oh, it's crazy, and it came from right in the proper shallow, bro. That is insane.
Nice size.
Very nice size. Lift him up, lift him up. Yes!
Oh baby! Oh baby! I was fucking waiting for that. I was waiting for that. Look at that, man!
That's like 1617, bro. In the shallows.
Yeah. I was waiting for that. Hey!
Look at that fishy, finally. More, get
Super. There we go.
well done.
Okay, now I'm happy.
Well done, dude.
Now I'm happy.
Yeah, you deserve to.
Bandito bug, man.
I saw.
I don't have another. There we go. There we go, boy.
Where is he? In the grass. Get out the grass. No, it's small, but it's a fish. Yes, he went straight into the grass. It made it feel even bigger. Damn it. And this is on a little crawl. Bottom bait.